When people are trying to increase the effectiveness of their mind, they miss one of the most key ingredients. The place where they start is kind of like being on the middle of a bridge and then looking both directions and trying to figure, do I go this way or do I go that way? But if they understood where they are, then it would be clear. So, to understand how we can use our mind more effectively, we have to first understand what do we mean by mind. So consider that mind is everything that is not physical. So that means thoughts, thinking, conscious, subconscious, feelings, all the non-physical aspects of our life. An easy way to see this is by considering what happens when we die. When our spirit leaves our body, so our body falls lifeless, then we have a very good definition of what is spirit. So spirit is everything that brings life to our physical body. So that means now we have a better idea about what mind is, and from that perspective, now we can start to understand how to create a more effective use of our mind. Where's the starting point? When we consider that everything starts with observation. So our observation of the world around us can lead to the observation of how we feel about the world around us. So all aspects of mind, observation, feelings, thoughts, thinking. And when we can pay attention to how we feel about what we observe, now we're going to find negative and positive inspirations. And the more that we observe, the more inspired we can become if we use our feelings as the guide that they're intended to be. If we make a mistake with it, we'll find ourselves becoming anxious, depressed, even suicidal. But when we use our inspirations correctly, then we're going to be continually guided to more positive inspirations. And with those positive inspirations, we'll reach unstoppable confidence, unstoppable motivation, unstoppable inspiration, all these spiritual aspects of our life that actually move things forward. Notice how dead we feel when we don't have inspiration. How do you feel some mornings trying to get up to go to work or to get up for any reason? When we're missing that spirit, when we're missing that motivation, when we're missing that confidence, when we're missing that inspiration to live, it's because we haven't observed enough. So if you'd like to learn more about how to increase the effectiveness of your mind, then you may want to spend $100 and start with a coaching session to actually make some progress rapidly so that you can see what this journey is all about. With the hit and miss methods that people use, they go through their lifetime and then they waste a lot of their life in the dark, not understanding that life has 24 ingredients, there's a system to life, and once we understand how the system works, then we can use it to our benefit. So if it makes more sense for you to learn about the system of life so that you can actually put that into effect, rather than stumbling around going from try this, try that, and finding yourself in this ever continuous circle of been there, done that, and keep going back to the same results over and over. Some coaching will bring you out of that trap and into a more useful way to move forward in your life so that you can actually create the life that you love. I'm John Verway, and I look forward to meeting you.